All are invited to return to wealthy coin. How Shosher disappeared after leaving his final warning is the topic of this video. Sanament, a crypto analytics company, published on-chain data showing that a mysterious Ethereum address moved over $250 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens, almost 25 trillion tokens, from a leading cryptocurrency exchange to a wallet that the user kept for themselves. Transferring the SHIB tokens to a different wallet involves scanning an Ethereum address that was previously determined to be associated with the US-based cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com. Get the latest Shiba Inu news, expert analysis, and pricing predictions by subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. Alright then, let's begin the video. The Daily Herald reports that the transfer took place over the course of 6 transactions, and that the whale has been fast amassing riches since March 1st, adding 992 assets to its now 25 trillion SHIB. Because of the big switch to cold storage, it has surpassed all other Kucoin wallets and is currently the 3rd biggest Kucoin wallet in the world. It is also the biggest wallet that isn't connected to an exchange. Data collected by Whale Alert indicates that the largest transaction it has ever recorded involved the transfer of 4.1 trillion SHIB tokens, valued at around $45 million, to an unidentified wallet. Some have speculated that Crypto.com is moving its SHIB tokens to a different wallet, while others have speculated that another whale is moving their tokens over the course of 2 days, beginning on Monday and Tuesday. According to the Shiba Inu burn tracking site, the dog-inspired token burnt through 453 million coins, which is an unprecedented 1,317% rise in the burn rate. To permanently remove Shibu tokens from circulation, the burning process involves sending them to an address without a recoverable private key. Reducing the total number of tokens is a common practice that helps control inflation and boost the value of the ones that remain. How many Shiba Inus there are? The world's 2nd largest currency, that is. One community-driven initiative to increase cryptocurrency value is the practice of burning tokens, which is currently in circulation. Some Asian cultures also burn paper currency as a sacrifice to the dead, thus this could be a subtle reference to that practice. Meanwhile, the Shiba Inu subreddit is buzzing about the release of Shibarium beta. The much-anticipated Shibarium, the Layer 2 protocol of the Ethereum-based ecosystem, Shib, created by the anonymous developer Shosher Kusuma, is a Layer 2 protocol that is built on top of Ethereum. He claims that the protocol is still in beta. As members of the Shibu community seek out new avenues for expansion, the population is rising. The Shib beta version was launched last week, giving beta testers a sneak peek at the testnet for the next 2 or 4 months as the team works on improving processes and finding bugs. A new surge of interest and curiosity has recently swept through the Shiba Inu community due to these developments. The continuing interest and growing significance of the community within the cryptocurrency field is demonstrated by the debut of Shibarium and the most recent transfer of SHIB tokens. How these changes impact the future of Shiba Inus and their adoption rate is something to watch with interest. In 2 purchases during the previous 24 hours, 2 prominent ET investors acquired an astounding 1,022B47M313193 SHIB, valued at 10,89,837. As reported by a prominent blockchain data monitoring tool, following the $2.154th largest Ethereum whale, Kate, the 232nd largest E-whale, added an enormous 899B999M734985 SHIB valued 961.9197 in a 1 transaction. Acquired 122B47M57828 SHIB for 128.6381 BTC, going by the name Blue Whale 0073. The market's short-term bullishness, with Bitcoin leading the altcoins, is expected to cause a huge spike in SHIB prices. In order to keep exchange wallets secure, Crypto.com conducted a regular custody operation, which included transferring 24,939B482M51233 SHIB valued $269 and $59.5185 to a new address. This led to the whale buildup. As the market continues to see Bitcoin trade above $28,000, large-scale accumulation by whales is taking place. Since the Shibarium public beta was released, the necessity of Shiba has only increased, according to. The burn rate has significantly increased as a result. In the middle of all this, the Shinu community has done 290 separate deals in the past week to kill 2B72M114690 SHIB. As Shosher Kusuma, chief creator of Shibu, recounted the encounter between futurist Ted Skilowitz and Shibu metaverse advisor Marcy Gagra at Paramount Pictures during the 2023 South by Southwest Festival in Texas, he proposed a new strategy that could alter the course of the game. As criticism of the initiative mounts, Kusuma has taken action by categorizing the entire community as Shibu defense breed. Due to a positive correction, Shim's 30-day moving average and relative strength index are in depressed levels, suggesting that a rally could be on the horizon. As an example, the coin has been oversold since its relative strength index RSI fell below 30 early this month. It may not take long for you to start feeling better as you approach 50. The 30-day moving average of Shib has also been falling for the past few days, indicating that a comeback rally is imminent. Given that Shib has not seen the massive gains made by BTC, ETH, and other big coins over the last week, it is arguable whether or not it will grow much in the near future. Shiba Inu's Layer network Shibarium's beta debut is the most glaring of several basic reasons to think thus. The network is expected to have its full public launch within the following 3 months after being live on March 11th. Once Shibarium is up and running, users will have a lot easier time paying for Shiba Inu and all the apps in its ecosystem, and transactions will be faster and more scalable. Consequently, more people will want to use the Shiba ecosystem, and more people will adopt it. There were definitely some hiccups during Shib's beta debut, because onlookers said it had taken the chain ID of Rena, an upcoming blockchain that is now in testnet, which is happening right now. The Shibarium team wasted little time responding to the allegations. KDIG clarified on Twitter that the Shibar beta network's chain IDs were chosen at random and that no intentional duplication had taken place. Even with this counter-argument, Dara went on to say that Layer 2's team will be redeploying a new Shibarium beta network with a distinct chain ID, which should put to rest any claims that they are simply cloning previous networks, as well as presenting initial video from a separate metaverse. Based on the information provided by developer Shib, the metaverse will feature 1,595 lands that can be purchased. These lands will be unlocked over time, with 3643 lands being revealed during the launch phase. A total of 32,1124 lands will be available for purchase, and they will be organized into districts with unique flavors and visual styles. The metaverse presents itself as the future of entertainment and gaming. Although Shib is currently trading at 0.108, its price has the potential to reach 0.0015 and 0.00002 in the next months. Many supporters are hoping for even greater gains, with some even targeting 0 or even higher. This is quite ambitious, but if the Shulin launch goes according to plan, there's little doubt that Shib will eventually see some impressive returns. We will now conclude. To access our most recent stuff, please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.